Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 screen flickering issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now here click on display and after that turn off adaptive brightness and eye comfort shield. Turn off both buttons and after that go back and open general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings to confirm. Now here enter your lock screen passcode and after that go back to settings and click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.